When Congress changed the voting age from 21 to 18 in the 1970s, many states followed suit, lowering their age of majority to 18. This change obviously had practical implications for child support obligations, which are typically ordered only for the period during which a child is a minor. The 2003 Florida case of Hastings versus Hastings, however, examines these implications in the context of a 50-year-old dependent. Jean and Lawrence Hastings were married with a son named Lance. In 1953, a couple years after Lance was born, the Hastingses divorced. Lawrence was ordered to make child support payments to Jean until Lance reached the age of majority. Several years later, when Lance was 8, he began treatment for his chronic Asperger syndrome, a developmental disorder on the autism spectrum that affects one's ability to effectively communicate and socialize. In 2001, when Lance was 50, Lawrence petitioned the trial court for a declaratory judgment to clarify his child support obligations for Lance. Jean and Lance counter-petitioned the court to order child support payments from Lawrence based on a state statute that maintained the common law right to parental support for adult dependent children. The court granted Lawrence's motion for summary judgment, ruling that it was too late for the support action, which should have been brought when Lance reached the age of majority. Jean and Lance appealed.